Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you're looking for a taste of Hawaii's comfort food scene, Loco Moco checks all the boxes. This humble yet satisfying dish has deep roots in local culture, combining simple ingredients like rice, a juicy hamburger patty, rich brown gravy, and a runny fried egg. While the classic version remains a favorite, creative twists keep it fresh and exciting. From grilled onions to macaroni salad on the side, there's always a new way to enjoy this island staple. The origins of Loco Moco. Loco Moco didn't start in a fancy restaurant. Instead, it was born out of a simple need for an affordable, hearty meal in 1940s Hawaii. The dish first appeared at Lincoln Grill in Hilo on the Big Island, created to satisfy hungry teenagers looking for a filling, budget-friendly option. Its name: a playful nod to the nickname of one of the regulars, George Okimoto, whose friends called him Crazy, or Loco. The dish stuck, and soon, locals couldn't get enough of it. By combining basic pantry staples, rice, a hamburger patty, gravy, and an egg, Loco Moco became an instant comfort food favorite. It reflected the melting pot of Hawaii's culture, blending American diner influences with the island's love for rice, a staple in Asian cuisine. The cultural significance in Hawaii. Loco Moco is more than just a dish, it's a snapshot of Hawaii's diverse food scene. Imagine layer upon layer of flavor and history. Rustic diner roots. From small mom-and-pop shops to roadside eateries, Loco Moco became the ultimate quick, satisfying meal. It wasn't fancy, but it was filling and delicious. Local pride. Unlike traditional Hawaiian dishes like poi or laulau, Loco Moco feels like a modern island creation, blending influences from Japanese, Chinese, and American comfort food. Tourist must try. Today, visitors seek it out for a taste of real Hawaii, beyond the luau's and tropical cocktails. Locals still cherish it as a go-to comfort meal. The dish's adaptability keeps it relevant. Some spots pile on toppings like Portuguese sausage or spam, while others add kimchi or teriyaki sauce. But no matter how it's served, Loco Moco stays true to its roots. Simple, hearty, and unmistakably Hawaiian. Want to try the real deal? Ask a local where they get theirs. Everyone has a favorite spot. Traditional Loco Moco Recipe. At its core, traditional Loco Moco is a harmony of simplicity and flavor. The combination of warm rice, a juicy hamburger patty, rich brown gravy, and a runny fried egg creates a dish that's both comforting and deeply satisfying. Let's break down how to make it the right way, the art of the perfect hamburger patty. The hamburger patty is the foundation of Loco Moco. A dry or bland patty can ruin the dish, so getting this step right is key. Select the right meat. An 80-20 ground beef blend, 80% lean, 20% fat, ensures juiciness without being overly greasy. Skip the extra lean options. Fat equals flavor. Season generously. Keep it simple with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Overloading with spices can overpower the dish. Handle with care. Gently shape the meat into loose, thick patties, about ½ inch thick. Overpacking leads to toughness. Sear for flavor. Cook on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side, just until browned but still slightly pink inside. Let it rest for a minute before serving to lock in juices. For extra richness, some cooks mix in minced onions or Worcestershire sauce. Experiment, but remember, Loco Moco tastes best when the patty stays uncomplicated. Mastering the brown gravy. The gravy ties everything together, adding depth and a silky texture. Thin or lumpy gravy won't cut it. Here's how to make it smooth and flavorful every time. Start by using the same pan you cooked the patties in. The browned bits left behind, called fond, are packed with flavor. Make a roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes until golden. Deglaze the pan. Slowly pour in 1½ cups of beef broth while scraping up the fond. Simmer until thickened, about 5 minutes. Season and finish. Add a splash of soy sauce for umami and a pinch of black pepper. If the gravy is too thick, thin it with a little more broth. For extra richness, stir in a pat of butter at the end. The gravy should coat the back of a spoon but still flow easily, bringing it all together. Now, assemble your masterpiece. Start with a generous scoop of steamed white rice, slightly packed so it holds its shape. Place the hamburger patty on top, then smother it with gravy. Crown it with a sunny-side-up egg. The runny yolk acts as a second sauce, blending with the gravy for next-level richness. Some variations add grilled onions or mushrooms, but the classic version keeps it pure. The magic is in the balance. Each bite should have a little rice, a little meat, and plenty of gravy and egg. Want to push the flavor further? Try using garlic fried rice instead of plain white, or swap the beef patty for Portuguese sausage. But first, master the original. That's where the soul of Loco Moco lives. Modern variations of Loco Moco. While the classic Loco Moco is a masterpiece of simplicity, chefs and home cooks across Hawaii, and beyond, have taken creative liberties with the dish. The beauty of Loco Moco lies in its adaptability. Swap the beef patty for something bolder, drizzle on a new sauce, or pile on extra toppings for a fresh experience. Here's how the dish is evolving while staying true to its comforting roots. Fusion Loco Moco. Why stick to brown gravy when there's a world of flavors to explore? Fusion Loco Moco blends the dish's hearty foundation with global influences, creating bold twists that still feel familiar. Teriyaki Loco Moco. A sweet savory glaze replaces the gravy, often paired with a juicy chicken or spam patty. The sticky teriyaki sauce soaks into the rice, adding a glossy finish. Kimchi Loco Moco. Fermented kimchi brings tangy heat, layered under the patty or mixed into the rice. A fried egg on top balances the spice with creamy richness. Sushi-inspired. Think Loco Moco meets poke. Fresh-eyed tuna or salmon replaces the beef, drizzled with soy sesame dressing. Some versions even use sushi rice for extra texture. These reinventions keep the spirit of Loco Moco alive while introducing new flavors. Whether you crave something spicy, sweet, or umami-packed, there's likely a fusion twist for you. Protein swaps and upgrades. The hamburger patty is just the beginning. Chefs play with proteins to give Loco Moco a local twist or a richer depth of flavor. Spam. A Hawaiian staple, crispy spam adds a salty crunch that pairs perfectly with the egg and gravy. Kalua pork. Shredded, smoky pork brings a taste of traditional lure to the dish. No imu, underground oven, required. Fried chicken. A crispy piece of mochiko chicken or karaga replaces the patty for added crunch. Mushrooms for vegetarians. Portobello or shiitake mushrooms soak up gravy just like meat, offering a hearty plant-based option. This was part 1 of Loco Moco 101. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore tasty modern twists you can try at home. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.